Set the flash. Press function and put the code to 580. In F2, change the number to 0 to turn off the flash. There's also 1, 2, and 3, which stands for different levels of flashing. Back to F1 to pair the pager number again after any settings. Back to homepage to call it. See, there's no flashing when being called. Let's into settings again. In F2, change the number to 3, fast flashing. Back to F1, pair it again. Back to homepage to call it. See, the flashing light.